guys! Happy New Year! Long time no vlog. It's December 31 ngayon dito. Kamusta na kayo? I know January 1. So you guys must be, it's either may hangover kayo or pagod kayo from the celebration. Alam niyo ba guys? Ito yung mga regalo nung kapitbahay namin. Ayan o. Alam niyo ba, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa namin nabubuksan. Magja-January 1 na tomorrow. Hindi pa namin nabubuksan. So sabi ko, tara, i-content natin. Ano ang regalo ng kapitbahay? Bubuksan ni Austin. Pero before anything else, meron akong New Year's gift sa kanila. I bought some box chocolates. Ni-wrap ko. Tapos ibibigay namin sa kanila after we do this content. So anyways, there's Austin. Austin! Anong masasabi mo sa kanila sa New Year? And then there's baby girl, yung marites ng mga pusa namin. Her tail's up, that means she's interested in what's going on. And ito pala guys, ito lang yung ni-request ko for Austin. Not really request, pero alam niyo gusto ko to. Di ba I told you guys, favorite ko mag-barbecue sa charcoal. So he got me like a charcoal grill. Kasi meron kaming grill sa likod, pero yung gas, yun yung ginagamit ni Austin. Ako talaga guys, gusto ko mag-barbecue. I don't know kung meron kayong kilalang mga babae na mahilig mag-grill. I love marinating yung mga meats at saka mag-barbecue talaga. Parang nare-relax ako. So, anyways, I just sat down. There's baby girl. Hi guys. Happy New Year. I'm turning, ilan taon na siya this year? 2, 3. She's turning 4. 4 na ba? 22, 23, 24. I know, she's turning 3. Guys, I'm turning 3 years old. I love you all. I love you all. So anyways, tara, buksan na natin. Let's see kung ano yung binigay ng kapitbahay. Kasi yung kapitbahay na to, ito yung sa left and right ko. I live in a cul-de-sac. So may regalo rin ako sa kanila. So every year nag-exchange gift kami. So ito yung regalo ko sa neighbor ko na Japanese. Ay! May card? I didn't even know. O sige, open the card, Austin. I didn't even know there's a card. May card din akong binigay sa kanila. Oh, that's a cute card. Anong sabi? This is holiday season. Vasquez family. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Ang ganda pa ng card, guys, oh. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga binigay. Akin na. I'll put that away. Tingnan natin. What's the first one?
Oh, shit. Eggnog. I haven't had eggnog in a while.
Eggnog. Ang cute naman ng liligyan. So, I think that's like a puzzle. Oh, you have to solve the puzzle in order to open yung container ng eggnog. You know what that means, guys? Hindi mabubuksan yung eggnog na yan. Good luck. I know. So I think kailangan yata ni Austin ma-figure out yung puzzle. And then pag na-figure out niya, mabubuksan niya yung container to get yung drink. So all I have to say is, good luck. Hindi na ito mabubuksan. Look at the other one. Ano pa yung iba? Wala. You have to go and figure that out, Austin. Ano yung sunod? What is that one? Ooh, candles. I know where that came from. Costco. Ang ganda, guys. So very, ooh, it smells like lemon. Mandarin apple and lemon. Yun. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Ang bango niya, guys. I love candles, by the way. Mahilig ako mamili ng mga scented candles, tsaka incense. Pino-on ko lang sa bahay. May dalang ako sa condo sa Philippines eh. Ano yung sunod? What's next? What's next, guys? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung bigay nila. Ooh, hand soap. Let me see. And I know where that came from. That's from Costco. I-turn around mo siya. Ayan. Ooh, so pretty. Ayan guys, yung box na yun sa dulo, I got that from Costco. 4 pieces ng ganyan yan. Pero ang sweet nila, niliga pa ng ribbon. What's the rest? Ano yan? Open mo. And guys, habang ino-open ni Austin yung gift, I just want to say thank you very much ha dun sa mga hanggang ngayon nanonood sa amin, yung hindi naboboard, yung nakikipag-keep in touch sa akin. I really appreciate it. And I know who you guys are. Ano yan? Rumballs.
Danish. It's like a dessert.
Ah, magugustuhan mo yan. And that's from Trader Joe's. So is that it?
Kaji Danish. Yeah.
That's it? Ah, okay. Marami na akong binigay sa kanila, guys. 2 bag nga eh. Nagbigay pa ako sa kanila ng mga candles din. And maraming cookies. Tapos nag-bake ako ng brownies sa kanila. Na nilagay ko sa magandang container. Ay, eto guys. Ito naman yung neighbor ko sa left. Teacher yung parehong mag-asawa. Ayan. Sige, open mo na. Ang ganda ng ano, no? Ng bag. Ah, sige, open. Let's see. What is that one? Ano kaya yan? Let's figure it out. Kung ano yan? I don't think they both... Ano yan? What is that one? Ooh! Chocolates! Chocolate passport ng Trader Joe's. Oh my gosh!
Cool.
Yan guys, oh. Different kind of chocolates from different countries. Ghana, there's Colombia, Ivory Coast, Ecuador, Peru. That looks interesting. Ang ganda pa ng packaging, oh.
Never seen this.
I know, it's from Trader Joe's. What's the other one? What else do they have na binigay sa atin? What is that?
Christmas tree.
Aw! I like that. Nangungulekta ako ng mga iba't ibang Christmas ornaments, guys. Tinatabi ko lang siya sa gilid kasi pagdating kasi sa Christmas tree, guys, medyo maarte ako. Gusto ko yung parang uniform yung kulay. Pero nangungulekta ako ng iba't ibang kulay. Hindi ko nga lang dinidisplay sa tree. Naka-display lang siya sa gilid, yung mga collection ko. Ayun, no? Kasi iba-ibang kulay, masisira yung theme. Ano to? What is that one? Is that honey? Ah, it's
This
alcohol.
is rose wine.
Rose wine. That's so pretty.
Portugal.
From Portugal. Inumin mo yan? You're gonna drink that? Okay. What else do they... What else? Ano? Ang laman pa ng bag.
Isa pa. Isa pa ulit.
What is that one? Ah!
Ooh, coconut citrus.
Coconut citrus. Nako, yan ang mga scent na gusto ni Austin. So, pag ubos na yung hand soap mo sa banyo, then we're gonna replace it with that one. Guys, alam mo si Austin, lalaki yan. Pero mahilig yan sa hand soap. Kasi mahilig yan maghugas ng kamay. Kaya yung hand soap namin sa kitchen at saka sa bathroom, kailangan either Bath and Body or yung mga soaps na ganyan. Gusto niya yung may scent na matapang. So, favorite yan yung mga mandarin orange, yung mga lemon. So, he likes that. Ang cute ng bags to, Austin.
It's a nice.
Yay! So, I just want to show you ano pala yung sinasabi kong nagko-collect ako pero hindi ko din i-decorate. Nilagay ko lang sa gilid. Guys, ayan. I need to put that away. Ito yung bago kong bili. Guys, that's one of my favorite drink is Diet Pepsi. And I found like an ornament na Diet Pepsi. Favorite ko yan. So, I bought one. And as you know, I love cats. So, ito nakita ko ng ballerina cats. I bought this a few years ago. And then I like hippos. So, ayan. Hippos a ballerina. And then I love unicorns. And then I found this one this year. It's a pretzel na mukhang candy cane. And then these are the rest of my collection. Pero hindi ko nga nilalagay sa tree kasi nga, like I told you, medyo maano ko sa Christmas tree, uniform ko siya. Pero one of these days, I have a little Christmas tree in the garage. Yun ang gagamitin ko na ilagay itong mga to. So anyways, goodbye na sa tree kasi tomorrow, New Year na. So, I'm not sure kung kailan ko to tatanggalin. If I'm gonna wait for our friend Anna to come over para mag-pictorial with the kitty cats. So, si Austin, ayan. He's trying to figure out yung regalo. Wala. Pag hindi mo yan ma-figure out, Austin, hindi mo ma-drink yan. Hanggang sa mag-go bad yan. So anyways, ano pala? Thank you very much again, like I said, dun sa mga nanonood sa amin ni Austin. And basically, yan sila Annalyn, Marilu, sila Ledlet Ortiz, sila One Leg, sila Gartags, sila Chari, sila Marissa. Sino pa ba? Teka, naano ko, sila Mariter, si Anna, si Desert Lynn Catmom, Mommy Jen, who else? Naku, ano ako Oy, Nancy, and oh my gosh, I'm having like a mental block. Hindi ko na maalala yung iba. Pero, nga pala, so we're leaving for the Philippines in middle of January. So mga 3 weeks na lang, aalis na kami. And like I said, yung luggage ko, isang luggage lang ang damit namin, tsaka hand carry. Yung 3 panay pa sa lubong for family, at tsaka sa Nueva Ecija fam, kina Marie, kina Roel, sa family ni Lenlen. I got some stuff ready for them. Then, may nag-comment nga dun sa isang vlog ng Peg. Medyo na-pressure ako Ang sabi, they can't wait daw to see me at malaman daw kung ano yung mga pasabog na regalo na ibibigay ko sa Matinga or something. Ang sagot ko naman talaga doon, sabi ko, nako, they're always receiving gifts every month from so many people. I don't know what else they might need kasi they already have toys, supplies, laptop, phones, tablets, shoes, dresses, everything that you could imagine, meron na sila. So I'm like thinking, I don't know what else I could give na pwede mo ma-considered na pasabog. Di ba, Austin? I don't know what else to give them. So, may mga dala ko. I have a lot of Belgian chocolates here from Aldi, mga damit, mga accessories. Ang dami ko rin dala sa kanila. Pero, I don't think sa dami-dami na kasi nilang natanggap na makukonsidered pa yan na pasabog na masyashock sila. Kasi ang dami na talaga nilang natanggap Pero when I was talking to Roel, ang sabi niya, ang hilig daw talaga ng mga Matinga kids. Pagkain daw, food. Kasi di ba si Marie minsan, di ba sa vlog sinasabi ni Roel, ayaw ni Marie pakainin yung mga bata ng mga cookies and mga snacks. So, medyo sabik yung mga bata sa mga merienda foods, mga ganyan. So, I was like telling Austin when we go to the Philippines, before we go to NE, mag-grocery ako ng mga pagkain na baka magustuhan nila. Like, I'll buy them Yakult kasi alam ko gusto nila yung mga Yakult and yogurt and yung mga pagkain. Para, aside from all the pasalubos that I have for them, may groceries sila na makain nila. Kasi alam ko talaga maganda yung appetite nila, no? Healthy appetite talaga sila pagdating sa food. So, nabanggit ni Roel na yun talaga, that's something na they will really appreciate is yung pagkain, yung mga bata. Kasi nga, like he said, ang dami na nilang damit, sapatos, what do you call this, bags, everything. So parang, if you give them that, yung parang nauulit na lang. So, I have clothes for them. Namili ako sa Gap. And then, I have like a lot of stuff. Pero, para dagdagan ko pa, siguro yung ang sa isip ko, I'm gonna go buy them yung mga gusto nilang na food. So, anyways, guys, I just wanted to say thank you ulit. And, ayan, si Austin, he's still figuring it out kung paano buksan to. Kung alam ninyo, sa tingin nyo, alam nyo kaya? Pakita mga Austin, baka alam ko marami tayong mga matatalinong marami tayong smart na mga viewers. They can teach you how to open that. So, sino pa ba nanonood sa akin? Oh, si Phoenix! Si Phoenix, hello girl! Si Phoenix, nako. So anyways, thank you very much and I wish you all the best. Kwentuhan niyo ako kung paano na, yung Christmas, yung New Year's nyo ha, and then, pretty soon, you will see me sa vlog ni Zion kasi magko-collab kami kasi we're gonna go out to eat. And then you guys are gonna see me sa vlog ni Roel kasi we're gonna be staying in NE for like a couple of days. So we're gonna go ahead and celebrate Austin's birthday there. So that's so exciting. So kahit, di ba di ako nagpapakita sa sa vlog ko dito, sa Karen Craves. Pero walang ya guys. Wala akong choice. Makikita nyo ako sa vlog ni Roel. Kasi wala akong kawala doon. Talagang magvi-video yon. So, anyways, thank you very much. And chika-chika na lang tayo. That's it. Alam mo, I'm trying to remember yung mga name pa ng mga nanonood and everything. Pero teka, nagkaka-mental block ako. Basta Marilu, Annalyn. Ay nako. Anyways, see you next time, guys. Siguro mga susunod na vlog ko kasi wala namang nangyayari dito. Baka yung papunta na kami sa airport or I'm getting ready na sa tawag dito. I'm getting ready na to go to the airport. Depende. At oo nga pala, hindi ba sabi nila, share the love? So, meron tayong special gift for Zion. So, abangan nyo guys kung ano yung special gift na yon. Basta it's very special. It's something na I know he's gonna like. So, thank you very much. Happy 2025 to all of you. God bless. And may all your New Year's wishes come true. Bye, guys. Mwah! Say bye, Austin. Bye. Baby girl. Baby girl, say bye-bye. Oh, you're showing them your butt. My goodness. Wala. So anyways, guys, Quincy and Ellie nasa kama ko natutulog, naka-heater. Ito lang kasi, may hilig talaga magmarites to. Ganda niyan, no? Puti-puti. Bye, guys!